Pause that movie you're watching on Netflix, because you might think you've got unlimited internet at home, but that's probably not the case.
Sorry, Charlie.
The price you pay each month for home internet is based on the speed of your service, right?
Yeah.
But what you might not know is that there's usually a set amount of data you're allowed to use each month, which varies by ISP. For instance, people on Comcast's Xfinity get a terabyte of data. Sounds like a lot, but think about all the internet-connected stuff in your house. Streaming video is a daily ritual. Your connected security cameras and video doorbell are chewing through your bandwidth. And maybe you don't realize how long your kids are playing Fortnite. And hey, that new oven might also be connected to the internet. Go past your limit, your ISP won't just throttle your speed, they'll charge you extra, up to hundreds of dollars. Better be sitting down when you open that bill. So how do you keep from going over? First, find your limit, along with how to monitor it. Then look for the usual suspects, like Netflix. If watching in HD, that eats about 3 gigs per hour per device. So if video quality isn't super important to you, knock it down to SD to save some data. It could also be things like online games or cloud backups. And like I said, always on cameras. Those can be adjusted too, so they're not so data hungry. If you find yourself regularly going over, look at upgrading your plan or checking out other ISPs in your area. We've got a ton of other tips at Komando.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. Now, a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.